If battery corrosion is preventing any product like this from working, don't throw it away. I'm gonna show you how to fix it in this quick episode. As batteries sit in a series like this for a prolonged period, they slowly drain, and when they're flat, they start leaking. This leaking is sodium hydroxide. It's caustic to the eyes and the skin, so protect yourself when cleaning. The easiest way to prevent that is just by simply removing a battery at the end of your use. If all else fails and the corrosion is preventing you from powering the product, I'm gonna show you how to clean the terminals and get it working again. Using some distilled vinegar to neutralize the acidity of the corrosion, it should brush right off with a toothbrush. And then you're good to glow. There it is, it's pretty easy. If you do get a product like this wet, it's gonna be okay. You're just gonna wanna allow ample time for it to air dry before putting batteries in and powering it back on. So that's it with Good to Glow. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.